What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. I told you guys I'll be back and I ain't gonna stop. So today I'll be doing a eyebrow tutorial, showing you guys how I do my eyebrows. I'll do my very best to make this a beginner friendly, but I feel like what I do is pretty simple. It's not nothing complicated or anything like that. But yes guys, so subscribe to my channel if you're new here, like, comment, and hit that post notification bell right at the corner, you know, corner. Alright guys, so let's get into this video. So first thing first that I like to do is I like to take my spoolie and I just brush my eyebrows down, and once they're brushed down I like to use my brow pencil, which is the Benefits Goof Proof brow pencil, and just outline the top portion of my eyes. And then once I outline the top, I brush it into place and then get underneath my brows. Be in mind, any of the mistakes that you make while doing your eyebrows, you can honestly fix it with the concealer. Concealer is your best friend. Okay. Once I fill them in, I go in with my Morphe concealer, and then I just take a flat brush like this and just put some concealer on it, and then you just go right under the brows. Typically for this I just go not directly under the eyebrow, because you don't want the concealer to go into it, because sometimes that does happen, but just enough where you can fix your mistake. And you slowly just kind of go up to actually where you outline your brows. And you want to take your time with this part, guys. You don't want to rush this because it will mess up. Alright. And then for the top, I actually learned this trick from somebody that I watch on YouTube. I don't remember who, but once you reach to the top, typically when I'm doing it, I start to outline, but once I'm getting to right here where the arch would be, I kind of raise up my brows to kind of give it my little arch. And then in that little spot where you see right here, this is where I would fill in with my pencil concealer. Just like that, we got a little arch. And the same thing that you do with this eye, you're just going to do the same thing for the next. I tend to always have a little difficulty with this eye, but then turns out when I do it, I like this eye better. I don't know why, but just remember, your eyebrows are sisters, not twins. They will never look the same for some odd reason. Alright, so once I have that done, I'm just going to blend it out. Alright, and my eyebrows are complete. You see what I'm saying when I say one eyebrow always looks different from the next? But I'm going to try and fix that up a little bit. Just going to do this one. What I'll do is I'll take my concealer and actually just try and get it back to looking like the other brow. And then look, there it is. Just enough to look more similar than how it was looking before. This one was looking crazy arched, and now it looks at least a little bit identical to this brow, and that's all that matters. Alrighty, eyebrows are finished. So now I am just going to just finish with the rest of my face by putting on my foundation. I used the Ilkamage Woke Up Like This. Alrighty, next I will be using my Becca Golden Bronze shade loose powder just to set my face. Once my face is set, I like to go back in with my Morphe concealer and just conceal under my eye and also Then I'll take my Cover FX and just contour the bridge of my nose, around my forehead, under my cheekbones, and under here. Once I get everything concealed and contoured, then I will blend it in. Alrighty, once everything is nice and contoured and blended in, I like to go, well, see guys, I'm now trying to use these products more. So I'm using the Airspun loose powder just to set my face in the areas that I concealed. Alrighty, then I will be using my NYX matte finish setting spray just to set my face. Alright, and while that is setting, I'll be using the Superhero Mascara just to on my top lashes, and then I'll use my regular Bad Girl Benefits mascara on my lower lashes. Actually, I'm going to use this palette right here, and I'm going to use this orangish color on my waterline. And I'm going to take my Bad Girl mascara and use it on my lower lash. Alright. And I'm going to use my blush palette right here, and I'm going to use this color and just rub it on my little cheeks. Alright. And then I'll be using my Becca Champagne Pop highlighter just to highlight my cheekbones and right in this little section, the bridge of my nose. I'm also going to take the highlighter and also put it on my brow bone just to give it a little pop. Alrighty, and this right here is the final product. Cute, simple, but elegant. And that's what I like to go for my makeup sometimes. So I'm just gonna come back and give you guys the full look. Alrighty guys, this is the final product. Hold on, I forgot to put my brow gel on my eyebrows. Just to keep them steady. we're just gonna use some Carmex for my lips today. We ain't gonna do no color lips. Alrighty guys. And this is how I achieve my eyebrows. Simple, not too much. It's more difficult to do my brows when they're not done, but I just cleaned them up just the other day, so it wasn't too hard to clean it up. And then this is just how I do my everyday makeup look. Nothing too crazy, a little simple, cute, add a little touch of a pop of color. So yeah guys, I will see you guys in my next video. And again, subscribe to my channel if you're new here, like, comment, and hit the post notification bell. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.